Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move on to the video. Recently, it was reported that Big Hit Entertainment has acquired Scooter Braun's company Ithaca Holdings, which has artists like Ariana Grande, Justin Bieber, and Demi Lovato. In the press release, it was reported that Big Hit Entertainment has purchased all the shares of Ithaca Holdings for $1.5 billion, which also means now Ithaca Holdings will become a subsidiary company of Big Hit Entertainment. And all the artists such as Ariana Grande, Justin Bieber, and Demi Lovato can also be called as Big Hit artists. But after this business deal, what does netizens have to say about it, or what does Big Hit fans have to say about this business deal? Some netizens say this is a very good deal because it will also benefit artists under Big Hit Entertainment, like getting recognition from Western countries. But some netizens also say that it is not a good deal because Scooter Braun is involved in this. After this deal, Scooter Braun will also become the board of director of Big Hit America, which means he will also take part in decision making. Previously, Ithaca Holdings had purchased Taylor Swift's music catalog for $300 million, and now that Big Hit has acquired Ithaca Holdings, then that means Taylor Swift's music catalog will also become the property of Big Hit Entertainment. Previously, Scooter Braun purchasing Taylor Swift's music catalog became a huge issue in 2019, where Taylor Swift said that Scooter Braun took all the work of her life. So netizens are also worried about that issue and also want Big Hit to make it clear on how they are going to deal with that issue. On that note, there were also some netizens who said that Big Hit is becoming so big that it might create a monopoly in the K-pop industry, which is not good for any industry. Right now, Big Hit has become so big than that of all the companies in K-pop, or even bigger than big three companies, that is SM, JYP and YG Entertainment. Previously, Big Hit had also made a lot of deals with Mnet, which is another big company in K-pop, and it was also reported that Never's V-Live and Big Hit's Weverse are going to merge together and will make another platform for K-pop idols and their fans. And currently, literally every K-pop group uses either V-Live or Weverse as their streaming platform. And this new app also will be managed by Big Hit Entertainment. Also previously, it was reported that Big Hit had invested $63 million in YG Entertainment's subsidiary company YG Plus. That means currently Big Hit also owns some part of YG Plus. And by looking at how Big Hit is investing and purchasing some of the big companies in music industry, netizens are worried about Big Hit creating a monopoly in the K-pop industry. But on the other hand, many netizens are happy about all these deals because it is now possible that we might see many BTS collaborations with Western artists like Ariana Grande or Justin Bieber. And as such, many netizens are divided on their opinion about Big Hit merging with Ithaca Holdings. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this business deal, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.